Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today my focus will be on three words: out, other, over. Out, other, over. So let's start with the first word, out. Check out, carry out, find out, figure out, hang out, take out, work out of nowhere, out there, a way out. Do you want to stay in or stay out? This cake is so tasty. It's out of this world. I'll take two more. This cake is so tasty. It's out of this world. I'll take two more. We will either find a way out or make a way out. Keep out. She went out. He took out his wallet. She took out her purse. All of a sudden, the lights went out. The next word is over. Over here, over there, bring over, sleep over. What's that over there? That's an helicopter. The wall is too high for us to climb over. Come over here and join us for dinner. The summer vacation is over. She traveled all over the world. The cat was run over by a car. A beautiful white bird flew over the lake. He had mud all over his face. The teacher told each student to bring over their old newspapers. Sleep over has two meanings. Sleep over, the first meaning is staying overnight. Somebody staying in your house or you staying in somebody's house. Can I sleep over at my friend's house? The other meaning of sleep over is not to worry. It's a practice game. I wouldn't lose any sleep over it. I would not worry too much over it. So, see the sentence. It's a practice game. I wouldn't lose any sleep over it. Okay, let's come to the next word, other. Other side, other than, the other. In other words, one or the other. On the other hand, any other, each other. Which one of the mangoes would you like? This one or the other one? Oh, I would prefer the other one. You can use this one or the other one. Do you have any other questions? I met Raji the other day. They smiled at each other. I bought this book the other day from the local shop. I went to a movie the other day. Tina was shy. On the other hand, Reena was bold. I don't think this is the right job for you, Ron. In other words, you want me to look out for another job? Is that it? Yes. The Ganga is longer than any other river in India. Ganga is also called Ganges. The Ganges is longer than any other river in India. Let's keep in touch with each other. That's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing English at least for 30 minutes to 1 hour each day. Daily practice, listen, and repeat each exercise. This is a must to improve your English speaking skills. Meet you again. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration today. Be happy always.